Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, foggy weather again dominating much of the valleys and down to the Umpqua. Sunny skies and spring-like weather dominating much of the mountains and certainly out to the coast. Guess what? We're going to hit rinse and repeat for this forecast, not only just tomorrow, but likely all the way in through the extended. Now, we've had a bit of a change here in the last 15, 20 minutes. You can see the dual colors there in the valley. The air stagnation advisories are out. Those go all the way through next Tuesday. But I'm going to take these off real fast and show you what we've also got here. A dense fog advisory, and that has just been issued by the National Weather Service, and that is for Lane, Benton, and Linn counties. That goes through 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. As you might expect, visibility, as we showed a second ago, has been down to about a half a mile or less in many spots, so it is going to continue to be sort of tough sledding if you're trying to get anywhere fast tonight. Just take it easy out there because it's very difficult to see out ahead, especially at nighttime here when you get some of the glare from the cars coming at you as well. There are headlights. So here's our big ridge of high pressure. Look at the clouds going straight. I mean, we're talking just south to north, straight up over top of that ridge. Then everything that tries to materialize into any storm systems push well to the east of us here, over across some of the central and northern plains. In fact, this is a live shot on our Skycam, downtown Eugene, somewhere out there in the fog right now. Calm winds, 35 degrees, humidity at 100%, an indication our dew point is also at 35. Air temperature, dew point, the exact same number. That's when we get the surface fog to form, and that's been the case most of the day. In fact, overnight lows early this morning were at about 37 degrees. We held at that number most of the day today, now slowly starting to slide back down closer to freezing. I'm expecting us overnight tonight to get briefly below freezing, so we could be looking at some patchy dense fog in the area as well. Clear skies, a beautiful shot if you want to get the first full moon of 2014, what's called the mini moon, because the moon is actually further away from the Earth. We won't see that again until about 2052. Coast probably get a good shot of that as well. Unfortunately, here in the valleys, that won't be the case for tonight, as our visibility, again, remains at about a half a mile or less around the Eugene, Springfield area, about a mile and a quarter as you get up towards Corval. So overnight tonight, dense fog, temperatures briefly falling down to the upper 20s. Mid-30s, mostly clear skies out towards Coos Bay and North Bend. Should be a nice night overall. And as we said, our low of 36 continues to drop as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Only got up to 39 degrees today. I think tomorrow we've probably got another shot where we'll see the temperatures in the upper 30s. 49 in Roseburg once they got rid of the morning fog. Beautiful afternoon. As we mentioned, remember last night we were talking about Brookings being even warmer today. 71 degrees. They'll likely sit in the upper 60s to low 70s again tomorrow because of this ridge of high pressure sitting to the north of us. We've got a lot of warm air being drawn up from California. That creates the lid for us here over the cold air trapped above the surface in the Willamette Valley. And as our stormcast shows over the next 36 hours, we're going to keep things high and dry and pretty much keep that same forecast around. So that means plenty of sunshine out to the coast. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. In the Umpqua, the morning clouds should give way to some afternoon sun, so we'll bump things back up into the low to mid-50s once again. Mid-50s also up into the Cascades, sunny and mild. Snow levels at around 11,000 feet, very slushy up at the ski resorts. Central Oregon, sunny and mild as well, temperatures in the mid-50s. And here in the valley, we're going to be socked into the fog, likely sit right about where we were today in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees along the coast. Slight chance we could get some sprinkles late Saturday night into Sunday as whatever's left from that system moves on through. Otherwise, it's back to the sunshine next week. The Umpqua Basin, fog, 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 sun, 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 late in the afternoon. Rinse and repeat for that as well. Cascades, beautiful weather. A little bit of cloud cover coming through Saturday and Sunday. And then here in the Willamette Valley, unfortunately, guys, I wish I had better news, but I just don't think so. That ridge is just stout, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon.
Can't do anything about it.
Nope. It's what it is. Coming up.